I don't think people understand the importance of having a reliable power backup in emergencies. Because staying connected matters. Meet the Emergency Energy Storage Supply Solar Generator, your ultimate outdoor power backup. With a whopping 2,400 W output, this beast keeps your gear running from lights to laptops. Its 2048 WH Po4 battery boasts over 4,000 charge cycles, ensuring durability and longevity. Flexible recharging options? Check. Use an AC outlet, car charger, gas generator, or eco-friendly solar panels. Fully recharged in just 1.8 hours. And with an MPPT controller, you get the best solar charging efficiency. Need to power multiple devices? No problem. 6 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, and robust DC options make it a versatile hub for any adventure. Whether you're off-grid or facing an emergency, this solar generator has you covered. It's peace of mind in a box. Say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to endless adventures with the Emergency Energy Storage Supply Solar Generator. Ready to power up your next camping trip? Hey, if you're enjoying this and want more tips on portable power stations, solar gear, and off-grid living, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a thing.